This is about Batley Food Bank. Beyond the back of Square's Town Hall lies a vault of precious ore, a bank that deals not in silver nor gold, but a commodity of priceless from times of old, a chamber filled by goodwill dues, a priceless stash of treasured food. I speak not of those centuries gone, but ask this day of what we have done. In earnest is down, in gratitude thanks, the helping hands of Batley Food Bank. But do not yield your ears just yet, sadly in fear I must regret. For whilst these heroes soldier on, the lot of the bank has already gone. A need exists for gifts not rich, donations are needed to rest this itch. Of foodstuffs simple, easy and near, the plea for aid is far too clear. Basic toiletries, tins of meat, and long-life milk is what they seek, for desperate neighbours who struggle to feed, who watch their children hungry in need. What value can find the face of a child whose hunger once met is followed by a smile? Let us shed what was, right off whose fault. Instead, let's gather and fill that vault. Let's pile it high till the doors won't shut, and help to end this common day rut. So bring forth your tins, your cartons, your packs. March to the stores and bring carriers back. Let trolleys be filled. Kindness, take flight. Supermarket doorways struggle with height. In closing, I add, to the food bank few, Batley is proud to stand by.